Welcome back to the Initiative on Quantitative Aptitude. In this fourth video, we discuss about the finding odd one in the series and alphabet series. First, find out the wrong number in the sequence 623, 251, 543, 356. In such series, in such problems, we have to look into the pattern and identify the term which not follow the pattern of the series, or we have to look into the nature of numbers given in the series. So here we can say either 356 is an even number and all others are odd number. So if you identify this that way, the wrong number is 356. The other one is 251 is prime, but all others are not prime. They are composite numbers. So in the second problem, find out the wrong number in the sequence. 121, 264, 312, 462, 583. If we are familiar with the nature of multiplication by 11, we can easily see that all the numbers are multiple of 11 except 1. 121, 1 in the outer. If you add 1 and 1, we get 2. So 121 is a multiple of 11. 264, 2 and 4 are there. The middle number is 6. If you add 2 and 4, it is 6. So it is also multiple of 11. In fact, it is 24 into 11. 312, 3 and 2 are there. So in the middle, it should be 5. 3 plus 2, 5. But here it is given as 1. So this is wrong number. We can verify the other two. 462, 4 and 2 are the extreme numbers. If you add 4 and 2, we get 6. So it is multiple of 42 into 11. Then 583, 5 plus 3 is 8. So it is 53 into 11. So except 312, all are multiples of 11. So 312 is the wrong number. Find out the wrong number in the series. 1, 3, 10, 21, 64, 129, 256, 777. So in this, we look into the pattern of the series. First term 1, second term 3. So it is 2 times 1 or 3, 2 times 1 plus 1 or 3 times 1. Then 3, then 10 we have 10 is 3 times 3 plus 1. Next 21. 21 is 2 times 10 plus 1. 64. 3 times 21 plus 1. So alternatively, 2 times the previous number plus 1 or 3 times the previous number plus 1. That is the pattern of the series. So 64 into 2 plus 1 is 129. 129 into 3 times of 129 plus 1 is 388, but here it is given as 256. So that is the wrong number. But if you multiply 388 2 times and if you add 1, we get 777. So that is correct. So the wrong number is 256. So the answer is 3. Find out the odd number in the series. 25, 36, 49, 81, 121, 169, 225. So clearly all the given numbers are perfect squares. But 36 is even number, all other are odd number, or it is even square, all other are odd number square. So the odd number is 36. The odd number in the series is 36. Find the odd one out in the following: 1, 144, 16, 25, 49, 81, 121, 36, 62. So here also all the given numbers are perfect squares except 62. So 62 is the odd man out. Find the next alphabet in the sequence B, E, I, N. We can easily observe that between B and E, 2 alphabets are there. Between E and I, 3 alphabets F, G, H are there. Between I and N, 4 alphabets. So the next term of the sequence is, or the next alphabet in the sequence, 5 letters after the letter after 5 letter alphabets. So N, so O, P, Q, R, S, 5 alphabets. So the next one is T. So the next alphabet in the given sequence is T. Find the missing letters in the series A, Z, G, T, M, N, question mark, Y, B. So here A, G, between A and G, 5 letters B, C, D, E, F. Between G and M, again 5 letters H, I, J, K, L. So the next one after M, we have to count 5 letters. Then the next letter, 6th letter is the starting letter of the missing term. So M, 5 letters N, O, P, Q, R, S. So the missing term starts with S. Then we have to determine the second one. Of course, After S, if you leave 5 letters, you get Y, that is correctly given. But here, Z, T, between Z and T also 5 letters, but the letters are given in reverse order. Okay. T, 5 letters U, V, W, X, Y, then comes Z. Similarly, N, M, N, so N, 5 letters O, P, Q, R, S, next letter T, so T is in the previous term. So, we have to determine which letters comes as the second letter in the missing term. So, N is there. In the reverse order, if you count, M, L, K, J, I, 5 letters over, the previous letter is H. So, the second letter of the missing term is H. So, the answer is SH. And of course, we can verify between H and B, there are 5 letters. The next term in the series, B, A, E, D, I, H, N, M is. So, in the series, obviously we can see that in BA, B comes after A. In ED, E comes after D. In IH, I comes after H, the immediate letter, of course. N is the immediate letter after M. So, the next term also have the same pattern. But in the given answer, you can see TS, ST, TU, SU are the given answer choices. Among the 4, only TS has the property of the terms in the series, because T comes after S. So the answer is TS. So from the choice, we can get the answer as TS. But what's the other way or correct way of identifying the series is A, B is there, then C is missing, D comes, E is there, then F, G is missing, H, I is there. So first 1 letter missing, then 2 letter missing, then after I, J, K, L, 3 letter missing, we have M, N. So after N, 4 letters have to be missed. So after N, O, P, Q, R. So the next letter is S. So the second letter of the next term is S. The first letter is the next letter after S, T. So T, S is the correct answer. The next term in the series, B2E, D5H, F12K, H27N. So B, D, F, H. are the starting letters of the series, the terms of series. So between B and D, one letter is there. Between D and F also one letter. Between F and H, G is there. So we have to skip one letter after H. So we have to skip I. So the next term should start with J. Okay. But in the answer choices, there are two answer choices starting with J, first and fourth one. So we determine the number. So the numbers are 2, 5, 12, 27. So what is the relation between 2, 5, 12, 27? 5 is 2 into 2 plus 1. 12 is 12 comes after 5. So it is 2 into 5 plus 2. Then after 12, 27 is there. So 27 is 2 into 12 plus 3. So the next one is 2 into 27 plus 4, that is 58. So in the next term of the series, 58 have to follow after J. So in the answer choice, 58 is in only one answer choice. So the answer is J58Q. Of course, we can verify that the last letter in the next term is Q, because after E, H comes. So between E and H, F, G, two letters are missing. Between H and K, again I, J, two letters. Between K and N, two letters, L and M. So after N, we have to miss two letters, O, P. So the next one is Q. So the answer is J58Q. In the series AB, EDC, FGHI, question mark, OPQRST. The missing term, yes. So we can easily observe that first two letters AB, next three letters C, D, E, but in reverse order. Then four letters after E, F, G, H, I in the same order. So the missing term should have five letters, but it should be five letters after I, but it should be in reverse order. So then last one is J, K, L, M, N. After I, we have J, K, L, M, N. But it should be in reverse order. So N, M, L, K, J is the missing term. Of course, we can verify the next term, the last term given in the series has 6 letters after N. So the answer is 3. So thank you for watching. The earlier videos on series and quantitative aptitude are given in the description section. Thank you.